Hey guys, we have a special, yes, wait, unboxing, a present for Hudson, an extra good, yes, present for Hudson from our Patreon member and channel supporter, Michelle Anastasio.
Thanks, Michelle.
Yes.
She's
She said
ready
it's
to go.
extra good treat for Hudson. We don't know what it is. It's going to be a surprise.
I was waiting. She's excited.
Okay, hold on. I'm doing my best to get the package. Wait. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. Hudson, please enjoy your, I don't want to give it away, your toy. I won't say what it is because it gave it away. From me, Michelle Anastasio. Okay.
Nice. Thanks, Michelle.
Oh, let's get it open. It's a pizza toy.
Oh my God.
Hudson's favorite. Wait, let me take this. I must have had in my ESP, I must have known because I'm wearing the Hudson Pizza Lover t-shirt. What do you think, Hudson? Does it squeak? It squeaks, and it's pizza. Down the hall, guys. Oh, and I got the Hudson Pizza Lover mug with my coffee. So let's go down the hall. Let's check it out.
Check if the coast is clear.
Coast is clear. Oh, you ready? Oh, Hudson, extra good. Okay. Coast is clear. Coast is clear. Show this cute pizza. It's got pepperoni on it, too. Do you see the pepperoni?
Pepperoni. He loves it.
Come back. Okay, ready? Oh, that was a pretty good throw, right? Top speed. Extra good good pizza with pepperoni.
Oh, that was a horrible throw.
That was a horrible throw. He doesn't even know where it is.
Terrible job.
One more throw. Better this
Terrible.
time. Better this time.
Oh, he loves it, Michelle.
Oh, Michelle, this is extra good.
Look at him. He's so excited.
You want to throw it or I do it again?
No, you do.
Okay.
You seem to do better today. Oh, that was good.
Oh, you love it? You love it, your pizza lover? Look at him. Look at him.
That's a fantastic job,
He
Michelle.
wants to eat it. He wants to eat it.
Fantastic
Thank
job.
you so much, Michelle. Extra good. We love you. Thank you, pizza lover.
One more throw.
One more throw. Best ever pepperoni pizza.
Thanks,
All
Michelle.
right, thanks, Michelle. Bye. Extra good.
Awesome job.